So in number 4, it is one of the questions which comes under sets and are expected in paper 2. So this question is, the diagram below shows tourist attractions visited by certain students in a certain week. So this is the Venn diagram there, where we have the first set, which is a set of those students who visited Victoria Falls. We also have a set of Mambirima Falls, and also we have a set of Gonya Falls. So those who visited the Victoria Falls are 6 and 2 and 10 and 4. And those who visited the Mambirima Falls are 2y plus 1 and 2 and 10 and 1. And those who visited the Gonya Falls are 8 and 1 and 10 and 4. Now the question is, question number 1. Find the value of y if 7 students visited Mambirima Falls only. So let's find the value of y. So these are the ones who visited Mambirima Falls only. So we're going to say this is question number 1, where we have 2y plus 1. And we are told that the total is that there were 7. So we'll say 2y. Now, we can't add 2y plus 1. There are unlike terms according to the laws of algebra, because these are not like terms. So therefore, group the like terms together. So this can be formed by this, taking this 1 to the other side so that it is added with 7. So since it was positive, then it becomes negative. So I have 2y is equal to 6. Then when you are finding the value of a known variable, then we have a number or a coefficient in front of that variable. We always divide that coefficient with itself to both sides. Then we say 2 into 2, it's 1. So the remaining with 1y is equal to 3. So the value of y is the 3. So this one can be proved also by replacing where there's y, you replace it with 3. So we're going to have 2 multiplied by 3. The answer is 6. Then 6 plus 1, we get a 7. Now let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 is, how many students visited A, Mambirima or Victoria Falls, but not Gonya Falls? Those who visited Victoria Falls, but not Gonya Falls. So this is Roman numeral number 2. Those who visited Victoria Falls, but not Gonya Falls. So this tells us to say Gonya is a complement. We are not touching everything in Gonya, but we are just touching those which are found in Victoria Falls. So therefore, we're going to have 6 plus 2. Okay, so the answer will be 8. So we're going to write 80 students. Then we go to B. B says the same question too. How many students visited 2 tourist attractions only? So for B, 2 tourist attractions only are these, which are intersections of 2 sets. So we have 4 plus 2 and plus 1. These are the ones who visited the 2 types of tourist attraction. 2 types of tourist attractions only. If the question was those who visited the 2 tourist attractions, the 10 would have also been included here. But since there's a word only, 10 is not included because our interest is only for 2 sets, those who visited the 2, because 10 students, they visited the 2 and more than 2. In other way around, 10 visited the 3. So if there was no word only at the end, 10 would have been included. Now that there is only 10 won't be included. So this, our answer is 7. So we have 7 students. Then we go to C. What is C? One tourist attraction only. Those who visited only one are 6 and 8, and also these 2y plus 1. Now like 2y plus 1, we said it is 7. So we just say 6 plus 8 plus 7. So our answer will be 21. 21 students. So we have 21 students. So this marks the end of our question, rather our lesson 4. Thank you so much for watching.